Hi guys, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how you can transfer from Binance to PayPal. You can also transfer your crypto like Bitcoin from Binance to your PayPal. Now, if you are from the US, it's going to be very easy. If you are outside of the US, I'm gonna be showing you guys another method that you can do to send crypto or to send USDT from Binance to PayPal. Okay, so if you are from the US, you just need to click here on your account here in the top right. And then you want to scroll down and click here, it says withdraw, as you can see. Now after guys you click on withdraw, then you need to select the coin, which is going to be one of the cryptocurrencies that are accepted by PayPal, which one of them is Bitcoin. Okay, so if you go to your PayPal, you will see that only I would say 5 cryptocurrencies are accepted, like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Now you just need to select the coin or the crypto you want to send from Binance to your PayPal. Now after you select it here, you want to enter the address. You can get it inside your PayPal account. Just go to finance at the just open the PayPal app, go to finance, and then click on crypto in the top right, in the top right, and then you will click on Bitcoin, and then you will get the wallet address and paste it here, and make sure you select the network. It's going to be Bitcoin. Okay, just make sure you have it's the same network on your PayPal, and then that's it. And then you can withdraw your balance. But if you are outside of the US, this is going to be a little bit hard, but there is a way around it. There is a method I use to send money from Binance to PayPal, which is using RTM. Okay, RTM is a very popular. What you guys need to do is very popular. You can easily it can easily help you send crypto or send the money from Binance to your PayPal account. So what you guys need to do, you just need to create an account on RTM, and then after that you need to just log in into your RTM. Of course they will ask you guys for your national ID. You just need to give them all the real information, so don't give them everything they ask you for the commands, like the national ID, your real name. Okay, because that's going to hurt you if you give them the wrong information. They will ask you guys to verify that. Okay, to for example, if they think that you are high risk or something, they will ask you guys to take a picture with your ID. Okay, so after you create an account on RTM, it's very popular. Like I said, you can just search for it. It's very trustworthy, and it's very, very, very helpful to people that don't live in the US. Now you can add the money from Binance to RTM, and then you can send or you can withdraw money from RTM to your PayPal. Okay, that's exactly the way. That's why a lot of people use RTM. Okay, so if you click in on add, which is we are going to add USDT, for example, as you can see here guys, Binance Pay USDT, you want to click on it, and then you can add funds using Binance Pay USDT. Okay, now you can send the money. As you can see how much you want to send, I would say for example 100. Okay, now this is how much you will receive into your RTM. The fee is going to be, I would say, $1 to $2. Click on continue, and then you just need to enter here the Binance ID. Okay, that's it, the Binance ID, and then you will be able to it will take only a few minutes to receive the money into your RTM. After you receive it guys, you want to click on withdraw, and you click on start now, and then you want to search here. It says search payment methods, and then search for PayPal. Okay, and then click on PayPal balance. Keep in mind that the minimum or withdraw is $15 anyway. So after that you want to add here the amount you want to withdraw. Like I said, the minimum is $15, and this is exactly how much you will receive. Okay, so that's it. It's very easy to use RTM, okay, to send from Binance to PayPal. It's very easy. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I reply to every single comment. I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this video. I did a lot of research about this topic. So like I said, if you live in the US, it's going to be so easy. Now if you live outside of the US, this is the method that you need to use, which is the only method that really works. Okay, so hopefully this one guys helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next one.